So what happens when you need to add capacity to your line, but you are unable to do a wreck and rebuild or get the outage in the right-of-way space that you need? We have an option for you, AmpJack. AmpJack has been in business for 10 years. They're a fully engineered solution, and they hydraulically lift the tower. It's sort of a crane in the box. So they do all of the procurement for the items that they're going to be lifting, as well as bringing their own employees on site for the lift, which is about 10 employees, and it's minimal space needed. We're out here on a site that they're adding capacity for data center growth and development. So behind me, we actually have a finished tower. That was a 10-foot lift there, and then behind me they're currently working on a lift that is 20 feet. They just completed the first at 5 feet. There's 8 to 10 of their employees here on site with minimal equipment, so it's a very small space, and it's a modular device that helps hydraulically lift the tower. This particular lattice tower is a 500 over 230 kV tower. It is energized right now, and on top of that they are lifting it 20 feet over the process of a couple days. So right now they are securing the braces in after doing a lift. So coming in from a different angle, you will see that there is a hydraulic box that is right behind me. They actually bring 2 of them so that they always have a backup. This box is remote controlled from up at the tower, but it does have the controls down here if they needed to add any safety elements. So this is an immediate way that you're able to capitalize and get your return on investment while adding more capacity to your line. My name is Alyssa Baran at Utility Service Agency.